Many growers are facing a dilemma right now. Do I build now or do I wait till the spring? Our advice always is build now if at all possible. With how it minimizes frost penetration, you will get at least 1 month of jump on the season in the spring. The good news here is that we have excellent amount of inventory. We have anchor posts in stock to get foundation work done before freeze up. Most Ontario orders we can ship in 4 weeks now or less. We have an East Coast truck going early November, and if the demand is there, a follow-up truck. So that will help with storm cleanup or any expansion plans that you were sitting on the fence for. Even West Coast orders we can do before the end of the year. But please give us a call so that we can discuss what your options are and how you need to plan for the balance of the year. We look forward to working with you, and thank you for your interest.